The olfactory system became a very hot topic, especially after the Nobel Prize that was assigned in 2004 to Linda Bach and Richard Axel. Based on these discoveries, it has been possible to study the olfactory coding, and now it's an extremely hot topic. Our group is composed by 7 people. There is a postdoc and 6 PhD students. The PhD students come from various parts of the world.
My name is Asma Amjad and I am a 4th year PhD student in this lab, and I came from Pakistan.
Myself, Lijo Cherian. I came from India.
Yeah, we are mainly interested in understanding how the sense of smell works. Most animals have at least 2 different olfactory systems, the main olfactory systems and the vomeronasal system. And we are trying to understand how odorants from the external environment bind to specific receptors and start an electrical signal that is then transmitted to the brain.
I am basically working on the vomeronasal system. My project here is to check the calcium activated channels in vomeronasal sensory neurons. We are using the technique of flash photolysis. So basically we are making a whole cell patch clamp configuration and releasing the calcium in the knob or the microvilli of the dissociated vomeronasal sensory neuron. We are recording the current directly from the knob. This technique is extremely interesting because in this way you can release the molecule of your interest in a specific area where you want to see the changes being made within the intact neuron.
I'm particularly focused on studying the calcium activated chloride channel. This family consists of 10 ion channel, 10 members, and out of this we are currently focused on TMEM16B, or also known as anoctamin 2. So here, using this patch clamp technique, we are trying to understand the electrical and the functional property of these ion channels by modulating either electrically or by using different ionic conditions. We try to record the currents which is actually arising due to the different ionic condition on the intra and the extracellular side. We try to analyze this using the different mathematical components to understand the gating mechanism of these ion channels. These channels, apart just being expressed in the olfactory sensory neurons, are also expressed in different set of systems, and which has a lot of importance related to the disease and the medicinal treatment. So if we are able to understand the ion channel functioning, we would be able to further understand the mechanism and able to control and regulate the function of this channel, which would be really a helpful way to design a particular drug or something to be used as a treatment for particular diseases.